Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna teach you how you can make money with your streams using the InStreamly platform. It is so easy to make money using the InStreamly platform, and it is great platform for the beginners. As a streamer, you can make money using InStreamly. So I'm gonna teach you like a steps how you can do it by yourself, and it doesn't matter if you have like a 5 followers or 5 subscribers, or you have 1,000 subscribers. If you have a 10,000 subscriber, it doesn't matter. This platform helps every streamer to make money with their platform. So right now I'm gonna teach you the steps. So what you have to do is you have to follow up those steps, and then within a month or within 2 weeks you'll start making money with InStreamly. But if you do it regularly, you can make up to $10 to $15 if you're using 7 hours or 5 hours streaming, and it is so easy to make money using this platform. So now I already opened the InStreamly software, where you have to link this software with your streaming or your streamer publisher. Once you linked this platform or with this software with the streamer, and then they will gain access with your stream, and they will display the ads on your stream, and then you will start making money with those sponsorship or with those ads. So right now, first of all, you have to basically you have to register yourself with this InStreamly platform. Once you sign up, you will see this display on your account, and it gives you the sponsorship, level ups, wallet, in stream data, and partnership and everything. So the first thing is the main thing. So how you have to link this software or this thing with your stream platform. So first of all, you can go to this section and click on streaming code. Once you click on it, it will give you the streaming code. So this code will help you to link your software with your platform. So right now you have to copy this streaming code with this platform, and then you can scroll down, and there is an easy way, a drag and drop section. If you're using the OBS or any other platform, you can just drag that settings and just drop on your software. So this is the next way you can do it. Otherwise, you can just do it manually. So the manual process, you have to copy that link. I'm going to teach you the manual link. It is much easier. And then click on this plus icon, as you can see here, and then click on browser, and just give it a name, InStreamly. Okay, so I just give it a name, and now the code we just copy the link and just paste in the URL section, and you can put this in 1920 and 1080p, and then you have to select that option where it says shut down source when it's not visible. Select that option, click on OK, and then your thing is ready to go. Like, you have to just shrink that up according to your stream frame, and then that's it. Your InStreamly is successfully linked with your software, and now whenever you just stream, InStreamly automatically display the ads on your stream, and then you start making money using this. So that's pretty much it. I hope you like this video. If you like that video, please do subscribe and follow up using my step. If you need more details and more information about this video, how it's worked, if you need a more detailed video on this InStreamly, so please leave a comment. So I will definitely read that, and if it is possible, so I will make a new video on that, and with the proof how I make like money on that platform. So that's pretty much it. So I hope you like it. So I will see you in the next video. Then take care and peace.